Hi guys, may ginaya akong scented candle made from orange from Reels.
Make a natural citrus candle. Just take an orange, cut it in half, eat the center but leave the center stem intact. This will be your wick. Pour olive oil into the orange just below the top of the stem. It will burn for hours, it smells amazing, and is non-toxic.
Hey guys, it's my turn para gayahin itong napanood ko sa Reels na scented candles made from orange peel. And ayan nga guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano talaga siya guys nag-work. So kumuha ako ng orange peel, orange sa fridge, and tinanggal ko yung laman, and then nilagyan ko ng mantika, cooking oil, which is made from olive oil guys. Nung una hindi siya nag-work kasi konti lang yung nilagay ko ng mantika, kaya dinagdagan ko siya na almost ma-full siya dyan sa lagayan na yan guys. And it's really work guys. Need nyo lang talaga ng patience pag sinindihan nyo siya ng lighters, kasi kailangan mo talaga ng mga more than 1 minute before siya mag-lighten up. So ayan nga guys, it's very cute and it really works. So try nyo guys para masubukan nyo na talagang maganda siya guys.